Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to number 4 plus 5x. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one, that is about the constant. So you got number 0. This one, we have number 1. Because we don't have number 5, so we need to divide both sides by number 5. So this one we change for u. The s we change for this one. So I will put number 6 go in here. So I want to put this one go to numerator. So I need to put the negative on the power. And now we have the formula in here. So I will put negative number 8 go in here. So negative number 8 plus 1, we have negative number 7. So negative number 7 with number 5, we have negative number 6 over 35. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.